Air conditioning systems are a fantastic way to make your home feel comfortable, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. However, like any complex system, air conditioners can encounter issues from time to time. Here, we'll run through the most common problems you may experience with your air conditioning system and potential ways to fix them. You can resolve some of these issues yourself, whilst others may require professional assistance. But don't worry, we're on hand to help if you need it. So, first up, improper operation. Unsurprisingly, not using the unit correctly is one of the main air conditioning problems. It may seem obvious, but leaving doors and windows open while the air conditioner is running puts unnecessary strain on the system. The unit has to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leading to increased wear and tear. So, remember to close the windows and doors for the best performance and lifespan of your system. Another common issue is a lack of maintenance. Over time, your air conditioning unit can accumulate dirt, dust and debris, hindering its efficiency. Regular cleaning is essential, especially for filters. Clean or replace filters at least once a month, or more frequently if you have pets, multiple occupants, or run the air conditioning system regularly. The next common problem is leaks. Low refrigerant levels can occur due to small leaks in the system and can mean that the unit stops working properly and blows neither hot or cold air. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, it's important to contact your installation engineer or get in touch with the manufacturer as soon as you can to fix the leak at its source. Now, another common problem is drainage issues. If the air conditioning unit is not mounted level on your walls, or if the drain becomes blocked, it can cause drainage problems. So make sure that you check the drainage areas for any signs of buildup. If you notice a blockage, contact your installation engineer or get in touch with your manufacturer as soon as you can to fix the problem for you. And lastly, faulty thermostat sensors. Most home air conditioners have thermostat sensors that regulate the room temperature and control the unit's operation accordingly. If a sensor has moved or isn't in its original position, it can impact the system's efficiency and potentially lead to excessive wear and tear. So ensure that the thermostat sensor is correctly positioned for optimal performance. The best place is around 1.5 meters from the floor and away from heat sources such as radiators or indirect sunlight. Identifying and addressing these issues early can prevent them from becoming much bigger problems and prolong the lifespan of your air conditioning system. If you have any questions or you're experiencing any air conditioning problems not covered here, feel free to use the chat function on our website and one of our expert team of BOXT engineers will be on hand to help.